Heyo bafethu, it is what it is. Nayazi into zakudinga into zakhona bafethu. Episode number 2 khuluma. Master 10 bafethu. Sancela bafethu subscribeani ningakhohlwa. Pressa nje i-ring bell ukuthi ikhumbuze mas upload another episode. It's hard bafethu kubi it's January indlala ithini dlala erengwane ngiphethe kodwa lami la uzino injani mara 2026 mina ngadoping next
2026 kuyanyiwa because ifuna wonke umuntu aphakama ngenyawo ayifuna abantu bahleli phansi ayifuna abantu abalazy ifuna wonke umuntu aphakama ngenyawo 2026 ya singenile we are ready.
Okay kunomunye Facebook abuzile ukuthi mina ngiyazi 2026 injani 2026 bafethu anihlebeleni abayaziyo bafethu kubi maybe ukuthi sasila kakhulu don't even care ukuthi kwenzakalani sigenani yonke didende but so far so good bafethu. Thank you so much whoever abasubscribeayo sabonga bafethu ever balikeayo siyabonga bafethu ever basharayo siyabonga bafethu ever bayibeka ku status siyabonga bafethu. Khuluma it is what it is. Skipha amaqiniso asilwe asicabane namuntu bafethu. Okay bafethu uzino ikhotman lethu bafethu entrepreneur bafethu businessman khotman grand it's a father it's a brother it's a hustle it's a yonke into ngasikhuluma zonke yabo. Okay khotman lami masikhulume sikhulume namaqiniso isikhathi ukuthi sikhulume amaqiniso manje kumele se-deep sifuna ukwazi iqiniso kwenzakalana ngama-filmmakers we see baya-strike kubi abantu esijwayele ukubabukela bafethu abantu laba esikhulu sibabukela e-TV but mohlangana naye bangathi bafethu kwenzakalanga industry kwenzakalani nenzani lapho industry. Yesterday bekune-strike le Cape Town. It's hard and abantu abakhoto babona laba ba-strike it's very hard. Kwenzakalani eMzansi government South Africa mayors president diwa khotman
yazi mna yami inkinga iphinde iqala kuphi xa kune problem in the country funeke ngoku sihambe siyestradeni. Mna I always don't understand ngambana mele siyogcwala estradeni for abantu abadala bayazi into ngabana irongo lento bayenzayo. Every time kungama firm xa benenkinga funeke ku strike kuyongxolwa as if abantu abayazi le problem. Kuzinesi kungodoctor xa funeke beviwe ngogovernment funeke bayogcwala estradeni. It's chaos to me, that thing. It shows into ngabana there's lack of discipline to our leaders. Izolo eCape Town sibabonile begcwele estradeni filmmakers sigcwele estradeni zifuna ukwazi zifuna jobs filmmakers zifuna job akunamsebenzi. Intone ebangela bangabekho umsebenzi there ikodwa imali khona iallocatiwe ukuze kube khona i-filmmaking in the industry uyabona. So i-problem yilento ngabana funeke kuyogcwala estradeni ukuze siviwe. That's the problem iqala ba
imali bathi khona imali mabasho but I guarantee mina khotman le mali akuseyethu as filmmakers imali yabo ema-ofisini. Ukuthi imali yes ikhona but akuseyethu eyabo ema-ofisini understand because of for instance
wait a minute, what do you mean about that?
How come, how possible is that ube ne company for 12 years applying doing everything abayifunayo but how come ungananhlanhla and worst part NVF inokuyenza i-list yama-company ebawaphayo imali kanti lawo ma-company ashuta mapha ama-project so abona nini aphelelaphi. Where is the reference or a proof esho ukuthi siphe i-company ayi-200 i-funding nawo ama-project ayi-200 wasibukela into yama-production engakaze siwabone aphiwa imali. What's happening? How possible is that?
Okay indiyayiva ke ngokwesisikalo masiqale sibuyele kwinto ngabana ugovernment uyikhipha njani imali ukuze iye ebantwini ye filming. Let's say if government uthi there is this 300 million budget izoya ku filming industry, ifuneka ifike njani kumna as a production dise Katlehong, izawufika njani kum?
Obvious ilento yama application you apply banama portal whereby you apply everything. You know let me tell you something eba unfair no apply konke lama GFC NVF zonke lezi unfair whereby bazokubuza izinto ezi unnecessary. For instance kunale bayikhiphile manje ye SP26 okubani ubonisa angisana interest yayo apply lezi zinto zabo, ugcwalisa iform ufake upload wonke ama document, then kune document ethi bacela reference or i recommendation letter from England or France. Ngathi ngazi umuntu la Eastern Cape ngizoyithola phi into buya le overseas to prove ukuthi le mali like I deserve. You understand?
Okay.
So bona bayazi kahle ukuthi le mali lezi imali ezidliwa abangani babo because of they telling their friends to open ama production, I register ama production, then they apply, then bathathe same money bapha abangani babo ama family wabo. Impossible ukuthi imali ithole umuntu eone. Impossible ukuthi imali ithola abantu thina sikabazi. At least if ngake ngazi ukuthi I know you dala ku film industry, at least ngakubona ngamehlo uma uthola imali. But you chief you have ama document onke abafunayo. Iphepha yakhe clean, ayikho into oyidingayo. But why then when they reply your email but I'll reach standard is EP into reach standard because of all the document they ask is there. What's the problem? It's because of mhlambe wena you don't know ukuthi mabakupha lo mali mele ubahafulele or baqamba ukuthi uzobaceba ukuthi baqelile ukuthi ubahafulele.
Eish uzanenye. Okay, mina ndiyakuva ne chief, cha ngithanda nje lento into ngabana sithetha ngento wena oyipart yayo when we talk about filming. Sithetha ngento oyaziyo exactly. I wanna go just for viewers just to look at intoni umsebenzi ka NFVF. Bekufanele NFVF wenzane to abantu. Xa esenda le mali ufunda for a script development, production, distribution and marketing for South African content. So xa ke ngokubekhala besithi imali ayifiki kubo abasebenzi abakwi industry, you mean like kuthi ukuthi uNFVF la mali uyayikhipha? For instance, if you look at kukho lento yabo bathi PESP 6 Presidential Economic Stimulus Program, bakhiphe close to 864 million ngo 2025 to 2026. Ithi xa idlula apha filmmakers across multiple projects which supports companies, crews and productions. So xa usithi ke ngokuwena ayifiki to ama production, bona bafunda their brothers, their sisters, nalo ke gama in terms of English and anova bathi nepotism, but likhona igama labo. So xa usithi ayifiki phaya iphelela kwakubo ifamilies zabo, singaba holder njani accountable ngokwe idea nje yakho? Singababamba njani?
Asemoshekile asabambeki. For instance, how could ufake umuntu angana experience or angana knowledge nge filmmaking ukuthi aphathe ama filmmaker? How could ufake umuntu angazi ukusafaka kwama upcoming or any ukuthi aphathe? Uzophatha kanjani? Uzoyiphatha kanjani into ongakazi ungena ecatulweni zayo? Whoever uyiminister or in ukwa actor lo muntu before, ukwa director lo muntu before, ukwa producer lo muntu before.
So in other words, bekufanele ukuthi the program eyenziwa yi-organization ephetheyo ye-deployment, because andithi i-deployment iyakwazi ukuthi okay hayi ke uSiphelo Bhatela siyambeka ke ngoku as i-secretary ye-region yase ekuruleni, but at the same time sizamdeploya kwa-NF okanye kwabanibana ndiyazi ngoba iboard ephetheyo phaka NFF samdeploya kwiboard. So when in other words uthi angeke afike ayenze lo msebenzi abe engayazi i-industry le angena kuyo.
To be honest, how could ngijudge umuntu aya kumaphikotini ngaye emaphikotini? Bafethu must be real. South Africans must be real. Like how possible is that?
Okay. Mzondile Masina izolo Cape Town. He was there. He is not a filmmaker. He never been a film. Andimkhumbuli mazele kuruleni. He was a mayor yasekuruleni. In filmmaking and mazi, but there was something about him in terms of this industry, and I was surprised ukuthi maybe he's the one obekiweyo as a director, and the sources are saying that they have 2 years bengasaya ofisini. For 2 years i-board ejongene ne-filming industry in South Africa isahlali phansi. What's your take on that?
Nakhona wathi 2 years, maybe bakhumbula 2 years lento isikhathi eside. They can't say 2 years. Maybe they just remember two years. Ayikabi ne-changes. Akazi ithathwe serious i-film industry la. That is why bafuna ama-donation mabashonile abafethu aba-actayo. That is why namanje babhaya abahotman bethu abomagriza abosester bethu abasafakayo ababhizi kule industry entertainment. It's very hard, and into something ngathi set up or into ngamabomo or into abayazi ukuthi it's a problem, but never baze bayisolve because of affect bona abazi nothing ngayo. How could umuntu aphethe i-production, umuntu wake wadlisa ama-families, wakhusa ama-families waqasha abantu, umbone estradini nayo zabalaza lapha ukuthi i-industry iyafa abasinaki abanandaba nathi as a filmmakers. You understand? I started this from 2011 ngicela ukwenza filmmaking. I have everything lenginayo manje akaze mina ngathola i-funding from government and never ngize ngithole. Understand? And nakhona I even give up. Manje ngakubonisa i-screenshot zama email wabo when they reply after applying for funding, but I'll reach standard. Ilento bayisho kuphela. I'll reach standard. Ayingenzeli sense. I'll reach standard because of your black. I'll reach standard because of we didn't give you money before. You don't know how you're gonna handle, and you don't know how much you're gonna need from you. I don't reach standard like how. It's because of that. There's another point about Buzaguti. Have you ever give you money before? Obvious they didn't. If I say no, I don't mopi. What's the reason to ask someone which way mopi money before? What's the reason? Why?
Inzima yona ikolula, but as South Africans, ibuyela to our previous episode, we spoke about discipline, and we spoke about the stillness and the development yase South Africa that still it depended ukuthi as South Africans. To be honest, on my side, I enjoyed and I liked to see filmmakers and TV crew going straight to Estraden, because this problem has been there with filming industry. We've been struggling, we've been trying to knock in doors, we've been making ways to enter to the industry. I remember once we went to GFC, we thought that GFC is going to give us money. I remember asifika ofisini sihlala sinale pitch, we pitch about this movie, and they were like, nah man, we're not going to take it. And there was no, I don't know, nobody problem by that time, but zange sifumane something concrete echoyo ukuthi bafethu asithathi le project because lack this thing, because according to a website yabo, we believed it in ukuthi okay, let's shoot a trailer ukwenzela si minimize i-pitch yethu, and then bona bathi they can assist from script development. So I didn't understand into ngabana into enzima ukuthi bafethu Okay ke i-trailer lena ayiyo lento thina singenza better. Let's go to i-script senu. Let's develop i-script senu. They just gave us that face yokuthi bafethu, it's an interview and then you didn't make it, thank you, sorry. And I still feel like even today there was supposed to be umuntu ochoyo ukuthi bafethu nilekhe apha nalapha, so ukuze nikwazi ukuthi next time sikwazi unefunda ninga correcta apha nalapha. I'm still waiting for that even today.
I don't know, there's a lady usesitoko sipana da Khomoto ulobe sinaye same day lo muhle
ngiyakhumbula.
Yeah, and I remember because of wangisendele email yama postmortem what to do yonke lento. Yakhumbula same day basibizile for ipanel. When I arrived there, being the medium da, if ngiyakhumbula, it was 21 being the medium. Somewhere lapho but ikomoka bengakaqali sathola uThabamuleya bekumele kungena thina, then they stop us ukuthi kungena uThabamuleya, then wangena uThabamuleya makumele ngene thina but it's late sizobuya ku Tuesday if yakhumbula. Then ba release iGomora banyiwa.
So kusho ukuthi exactly ibuyela kulanda ukuthi le funding inabantu bayo.
Is what I'm
Not
saying.
for everyone.
I say that is why even yesterday ku Facebook NVF ngicommentile posting yabo ngabhala scam live ngabhala lapha scam because of it's a truth. Those people never baze basivuse as upcoming South African filmmakers. Banaba abantu babo bayazi ukuthi i5 phela ama production mele babaphi imali. Yonke le South Africa i5 ama production ababapha imali and bazazi. So wena if ufuna ukuplana kuba a production or ufuna ukuplana na in busy applying saying I'm waiting for funding, ngihlala ngibatshela njalo mathi please can you shoot for us but waiting for funding, ithi funding EP there's no funding ozoyithola. Whoever lo ake wathi ufuna umeli funding waza kimi wathi umeli funding uyitholile, because I know abanye from 2017 18 19 nayithola lo funding nayithola na never nithola. I'm still saying today we January 2026 never bayithole ifunding.
Okay, ukwenza sure into ngabana lento ithethayo ke izawambi hambi sibeke. Let's check ukuthi what is the internet saying about lento ichoy. Let's check the top 10 SA production houses and studios as fundiweyo to this industry. 1, sine Film Africa. Film Africa if uyakhumbula ikhona nyewe uMandela long walk to freedom ngaba babeshoota lewe mina kundibazela kuyi Black Sails. I was an extra in Cape Town sisenze Black Sails. That day being part of this huge program. It was a big program, Black Sails. Ndabe ngazange ndayibukela xa ngibuza ukuthi Black Sails ibukelwa phi kanti ayidlali even in the country. Ibingadlali in the country Black Sails. Nangingafana sizayithola kwabo SABC obo bani sisebenza pha, and I asked myself ba kwenzeka ntoni kusho ukuthi ifunding yabo isuka from these companies zeza phesheya, and then they partner with companies asemzansi. So it was Film Africa. And then number 2 sibene Quizzical Pictures. Quizzical Pictures ke bathi it's well known local production company with multiple TV and film credits, often positioned to benefit from NFVF and SA Film and TV production incentive programs. Then sibene Penguins Film on number 3.
Okay, before ngacula labantu okhuluma ngabe abantu dala bakhona.
Sure.
La bantu okhuluma ngabe akekho upcoming, akekho umuntu omanga to checka CK number document ama document wabo abantu abaregister ama company 2019 or in labo bantu yakudala phela beshoot isidumo ukhuluma ngezinto zakudala.
Basilistela kusho ukuthi basilistele abantu they benefited from dala
Abantu-
and then now kusabenefita aba bangazobekwa in public because kaloku as a public space, as a public organization, these things supposed to be publicly there exposed bazizibe pha ebantwini to get information elehlobo. You must know ukuthi ugovernment uye wanikeza imali ethile to ikhampani ethile ngonyaka othile. It's supposed to be a public knowledge. Ingabe into efihlikwe zawubiza nje amagama alandelayo. Number 4 sibene Cape Town Film Studios, sibene Tiger Fish Animation Studios, and number 5, number 6 sibene Sunrise Production, number 7 sibene Africans Film and TV Production, then film and television. Then number 8 sibene Impi Films. Ayithola ke KZN isikakhulu provincial funding, IDC support, SA Film Incentive rebates. Then sibene 0307 Films, sibene Lucky Fish Production. Where are the productions that we know okanye that we know that they are local? Bomb. Where are those guys getting money from government?
And I guarantee 99.9% abelungu abaphethe lawo ma production. Mina ngifuna ungibalele ama production eswaziyo abosiphelele abantu dala sazi ukuthi benza ama D-Day ama feeling abantu laba aba clean, paper clean, everything clean. Abantu laba mabayo shoot ama movie mele bayenza ama donation from Emma Malls. Abantu laba bafunda ama businessmen emakasana wabo. Ngifuna sikhulume ngabo TKL Films. Indoda dala i-apply, indoda ena each and everything, indoda una equipment because of
more than 820 years.
Akane ntanga nayo TKL Films. But ngento ephume from epokoteni lakhe ngokuhustle kwakhe without ukuthi athole funding. Bakhona labantu abakhohlisa abathi bona badila ngama funding. Maphi ama funding?
So kwesi strike sabo abantu bethu these productions kwesi strike sanamhlanje, you mean outcome yesa strike outcome yabo inoba indone nento izawubuya isenzeka because ibuyela to lanto buyivezile ukuthi the leaders eziziphetheyo phanga abantu abadeployiweyo that knows nothing about the filming and TV industry, and then now iphinde ke ngoku inoba ingayindoni outcome xa ucinga bra.
Bayocheka lapha ukuthi ubani ukhuluma kakhulu, bazokhona ukupha yena leyo 8 million bekayizabalazela, then hamba yoshoot feature film, then maceda akusana strike, bakhona ukulumba umpha lo abazi ukuthi ngathi uyo lo ovusa impi, uyo lo ngathi uyenza ukuthi ukuliwe, ithi sifundeni yena ashoot project yakhe, then sesazi ithi chai
mawanda so
understand. Ngibona le Hotman le Black le Cold Stone production uye ngathi bekava phambili because of ngathi na uye bam interview whether okay my point, but so far so good. I think ukuthi kusase iwaste lento le, never babathathe serious, akaze futhi sithathe serious kwaMzansi Magic, akaze sithathe serious, zonke akaze sithathe serious. You know how many films I submitted from 2014 kuMzansi Magic until today? More than 20 something. Being supply each and every month. I shoot every month. I shoot every day. I have proper equipment. I understand. Like you submitted da bakutshela into ewani ukuthi movie sound is bad, but leyo dlala ihlala uyibukela laphana kuMzansi Magic or Bioscope, the sound is bad. The picture is bad. But mayobukela lezinto abakhuluma zona ama postmortem wabo ilezinto ozibukela every day. It's bad because of it's you. It's bad because of they don't know you, and it's bad because of ngeke bakhona ukuthola cold drink for udlalisa your own film.
Cold drink yasipana ke bafethu, cold drink yasipana. If awufuna ukukhupha cold drink, mina ke lesson endayifunda ndifike eJozi leyo. If awufuna ukukhupha cold drink apha eJozi ingathi into zakho angeke zapha. So unixelela ke ngokuthi the companies esafarishayo are the companies that okanye are the people abangafuna ukhupha cold drink.
Yeah, ngasho kanjalo. And bafethu, at the end of the day, iqiniso lakhuluma mangabe kunalo sho ukuthi lo mjida wakhuluma kanje bazomblocka lo mjida bazo bafethu hayi niyadlala ayikho nento ewane engiyithengile empilweni yami engangathola imali from the government. Everything come from my fucking pocket, so there's no one ozongitshela ukuthi kumele ngiyenzeni ngingayenzini. So far so good. Saki Glen Mukweni is my name. Ziwaphi Skidlava Film Production is the company. So ever aneseo ever funa ukukhuluma something agugule locations zomletha la and ngikhona nangapha futhi.
Oh la sana. Okay ithi ke khona question bengiqonda ndinayo benifuna uziphendula but kuba kukho wena nawukwazi uphendulela leadership. Kule wesi strike sinaso today and sithethile ngento ngasikhulumile ukuthi okay sure outcomes won't matter because of the companies ezingafuniyo ukhupha imali ezingafuniyo ukhupha ama cold drink nezinye izinto. And then my other question was that in the country at this point and in the filming and television, I remember the Hlaudi Mutsueneng, he came up with an idea of, I think it was 95% local for SABC, and then everyone started to criticize him. Sambiza ngamagama. Now ibuyela kwinto ethi if ever these products city siyashooter, let's say someone invest, let's say as a businessman I say that I want to invest in your production and do this filming and television thing. So now tell me, as project is investor kuzo, are they going to television? Ikhona indlela yokuthi ushoota something and then ube nendlela ethi iyawudlala ku SABC without asking funding from SABC, but kulando yokuthi now ndizenzele ke SABC le project ungayidlala wena as SABC. Ikhona into njalo.
Nginonye umjida so Tebo Film production Tebo Mela. Yeah, it's a most talented director. That guy speak. There's no film ake wayenza without ama well known. Kwa Patrick Shai, kwa whoever you can name them. Unayi film ekhona ayishutile feature film. Uhleli nawo lapha ya. Nyeke bayithathe, nyeke bayidlalise. I don't know why. I don't know ukuthi how possible is that, because of that film is a nice film. Nice. When it comes to quality, when it comes to talent, everything, Debza is galore. But still the same. Lento sikhala mina naye bengikhuluma naye nini ukuthi ushota kai corruption ile phakathi noma ngababiza bonke ama celebrity ushoot ifilm ihambise lapha ya kuzoba nzima ukuthi bayithathe because of ushute angakhuluma ukuthi okay fine if bazokupha 8 million ke mina ntwana yazi ukuthi kumele ungayi 3 and so ucedile ukushuta sekunzima ukuthi bangazocela leyo cold drink then movie yakho izohlala lapho for the rest of your life. Ngabona i-screenshot from kumzansi Magic, ngabona i-screenshot akekho kwatebo Matlaba lo mjita lo ophethe laphana nama email wakhe from 2014 until last year asking one thing, makangekho elifini now sebathi mele submit asilahlele ku website ku easy ke manje ukuthi badle imali ku website because of we don't see ukuthi imali izohamba kanjani. Wena uya busy uyasena ku website ayukutshela ukuthi usanele naye movie yakhe usende emva kwakho sesibona sebathatha straight bazisela straight bathatha ama cold drink kwabo bazisela straight uba uyislima sihlele lapha ku ntoni. How come a movie ihlalela ku portal for 8 years? For instance, na example nasi screenshot see ukuthi into i-NVF ngapply this funding lezithi under review from last year, from June, since under review yini lebayifunda unyaka wonke. Yimaphi ama-document enza ukuthi balinde bafunde yonke le unyaka wonke?
Ikhona into engakuxhawulanga, ikhona into oseke wahlangana nayo yokuthi wena ubusithi you pitching your idea and then bona bathathe their idea and run with it?
Kuphi ngapitcha sapitcha SABC sake sayopitcha inkohlakalo. Yeah, then sake saya ku Moja Love sayopitcha ikibona buloyi. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. You had ene
indongene lesasipitcha ku Moja Love kanene indongene lesasise ku Moja Love
kiyona buloyi
then sayibukele TV
kiyona buloyi ile angazi bese presenter uJames akulomtshitalo uJames uDingani sekayenza angazi bona bayibize ngani like you were pitching say similar.
So how to get those people accountable? Because for the longest time I think and Anova Ben Kenda mentioned that we also if we ayikhumbula bazandeqa kanjani but kuyanaxesha lapho jong if we ayikhumbula don't hope with uzola if yakhumbula the idea ukuthi how did we become, and then we went to pitch and then we saw the same idea and then kwabikho nomuntu othi bafethu the idea benizoyipitch apha bekhona umuntu onayo wayitshilo ngubani lasisi kana bokanga wayitshilo into ngabana hayi ke sometimes ke i-ideas nithi nizopitch i-idea kanti bese sinayo wayithethe into enjalo ndayazi ubunyani. That's why ndikubuza ke ngoku just how to get those people accountable when you pitch something. They say it's open, come guys, productions and pitch, and then PTP tubona ngale nto yakho seyibuye seyidlala eTV.
Nyeke stop corruption nyeke izohlala ikhona especially la eMzansi. I-corruption ubona ilento ngisho ela on ukuthi ubona ngomuntu ebambekile laphana ukuthi lento le uyayazi na. Understand? How could nyoba i-supervisor yokudrive amabhasi ngakazi ngidrive ibhasi angiyazi feeling yangaphakathi. You get my point? So that is why ngisho wonke abantu babekile lapha ukuthi baphathe indaba zama-media abazi neset ukuthi kwenzakala nesetini maybe akazi nokuthi islate yini. You get my point? But yiba baphethe labo bantu laba bathi yibo bonimele bazi ukuthi sinipha malini nenzani like when ucamuthi everything zoba kahle kanjani labantu beba strike izolo Cape why bona labo bantu because of you baziyo i-feeling ubhlungu ukuma ilanga lonke yibo abacavayo lezi zinto zonke yibo abantu bangaqabanga ukuthi ayazi is fine bafethu let's try all by means senze ukuthi lanto bangahluphe singazi ukuthi maybe if nabo bebalapha bebazoyidla you don't know. You get my point? But so far so good. I-corruption bafethu nyeke iziphele anytime soon i-corruption yala nyeke iziphele and bakhohle ukuthi manje majority abantu abaphani wesiphathi umsebenzi awukho abantu bancenge ngala ama-filmmaking. You understand? Shooting boleka imali uyazi ukuthi ngishutela for SABC Mzansi Magic abantu bafika bashoot ababoleka imali mawusubmit lapha ba rejecta ispani badlalisa idot endlule yakho. Why? Because of kile dot understand ile dot ukuthi no thina sokupa 400,000 ifone uzosipha 100 then simnandi bayakhona nokuthi makuzophuma indaba zama funding ukuthi okay malume register company uyenze paperwork yima approve ama payment wena ngizo approve straight because of nyazi company yakho.
Yebo.
So besicela anolizo ukuthi sicele whoever mabakufundile anizameni man nike anenze nama trailer akhe sinibone ku YouTube ukuthi hayi shoot imali ihambe iphelele la. How could ufund abantu abayi 200 amamiliyoni ama 500,000 but akaze sibone ngisho ne 100 yalabantu enibafundile iprove ukuthi na ngundlovu film production ufundwe 800,000 na ifilm yakhona na isugude media house ifundwe 18,000 naye i-trailer khona na if izibe zakhona ziphi
xa kungekho nto ke ebonakalisayo bangabana okay naba bantu bebefundiwe. I went also to the internet. I thought ikhona into ka-government abathi into ni-gazette bekufanele bekhona ethi thina singu NFF okanye thina singu IDC zonke ezibhodi zika-government thina singu government siye sakhupha ke i-800 and something million kulonyaka to ufunda as project. Nangu ke kulento ichoyo ke nangu ke umalume production house ufundwe i200 kule mali 200 and something thousand le project ithile. Mhlambi singahamba sizibone ezonto only if to get lento ithethayo only if thina we take charge. Namhlanje there is a strike sise Pretoria. They will be submitting a memorandum. Bayadimanda ke ku memorandum ukuthi bafethu khanisijongene nathi kule industry, khanisamelene nathi kule industry because we are suffering kule industry. Ndifuna ke ngoku ukhesiye deeper kancinci nje kwinto ngabana if xa sicinga ulife okanye iSouth Africa won't have a solution ezaba right for lento because of corruption, because of the technology ababantu sababoni xa besubmita they are saying nothing about this. Looking at the technology and filming industry, do you think that filming industry lento ihamba ngelixesha with the technology? Do you think that sizawukwazi umelana nayo technology in South Africa? Ngaske unjongele filming industry, unjongele technology, unjongele ugovernment. Ubusowutshilo wathi ugovernment aka assist next when it comes to filming industry. Ikhona indlela into ngabana singavele simbaphase ugovernment using i-technology. Siyazi into ngabana ugovernment siyamqumelela simfaka inganto, siyayazi into ngabana there's nothing esitholayo ku-government. Sithi i-technology with other bodies ezifana nabo nqani biza abo Netflix kamagama Netflix. Do you think ikhona indlela oba singam-bypass ugovernment?
Zibhaya for instance uYouTube iyabhadala okay. So if uthola imali from esadini lakho uthatha ufundiwe, obviously you shoot, you monetize your channel, you get paid. You get my point? Yeah, technology rather it take over or AI might take over. Ngono sidlo abantu kwama imachine. Ngono imali is ihambe emishinini because of tani umuntu omnyama sikhawati. Majority lama corruption safaka kaso because of labantu abamnyama abagcwele lapha ema-ofisini. I guarantee and ngikhuluma ngesibindi. Understand? So sisafaka kaso because of abantu abamnyama laba abagreedy ema-ofisini. That is why safaka. That is why naizolo kuyehla umuntu omnyama ayokhuluma ayobakhohlisa futhi abantu abamnyama futhi ukuthi izinto zizolunga. Bazi kahle unyeke ayikho into ezolunga.
Okay. Ukongeza kulonto okanye umbuzo kulonto okanye whatever following up kulonto. Kwesa strike eCape Town imemorandum wathi gqela umjito enxiba iskipa seNetflix. Uyosign memorandum pha. For me ndifila ngathi you are telling us that whatever that guys you are here for, Netflix has taken over because you are the government entity, and then uzothatha memorandum ebantwini abastrikeayo unxibe iskipa sike esibhalwe Netflix. no, uchubandi wrong, but that was a fucked up move. Like, and you understand kahle ba usinxiba njani iskipa esibhalwe Netflix ungumuntu osebenza ugovernment, whereas bekusuppose you support these filmmakers, and then when unxiba iskipa sibhalwe Netflix uzosigna i-memorandum. Ucho if I'm wrong.
Kuni
Earlier uthe awunankinga ngalona, so ndiyakholwa ukuva why.
No problem, mele understand into one ukuthi Netflix ayingeni ndawo ku government. Netflix uhlalela one le, and stream Netflix, and there's no one will stop Netflix. Understand? Into ezo stop Netflix ukuthi singatholi funding to shoot whereby we reach their standards, because they have their own standard, and which is hard or difficult for us filmmakers to use our own pocket to have something that's gonna reach Netflix film standard.
Okay, so uzobe i-standard lo mjida ngonxiba uNetflix engu-government osaboze u-enricha thina ukuze sikwazi ufikelela kwesa standard sika-Netflix. The next thing le mali oba singayithatha sise kwa-Netflix yile bona bayityayo bangasinikeziyo bona. Uthi gqe inxiba iskipa esibhalwe
uyasibonisa ukuthi mosha isikhathi ngathi into emele nisebenze ngayo naye i-Netflix.
So it means that even ugovernment akasazithembi kwayena.
Akazasithembi ugovernment, awahluleka 92 uzithemba.
Oh uzanenye.
To be honest, nini ngisikhumbuzeni wake wasithemba nini ugovernment bafethu?
Nabo okay now kule yase Pretoria today ikhona into oyibonayo ba inga different kunale yase Cape Town. Like land into ngabana these are different places. Cape Town is Cape Town, and then if you see abantu abaninzi, lot of filmmakers abenza story bayathanda into ngabana bayo choose places like Cape Town because of beauty yakhona, because of I don't know mhlambi ke nendlela akwenzeka ngalo izinto eCape Town. Then kule ya today asikaboni into bebethe ngo10 bayaqala asikaboni into. Do you think wena kola kweside ngakhona i-difference abazawenza in Pretoria today?
Akuna different, akusukuqala ku strike yiwa Zino. I-strike akusukudala imida akusimanje dala i-strike akumida kakhulu. Kwaba ne-strike sama background akhalela ukuthi imali abinyuke ama extra bla bla, kwaba strike angazaphele laphi leso strike. Yabo mina angizwani kahle angizwani nokuyenza into ongazi ukuthi niyeke izilungu. Whatever leba strikeela sekuyaya nje ukuba nothisa okuyenza party kusazofundwa sembantu laba baze whoever laba abahambile ba strike ubabuza after 3 years there is no funding abazayithola. Understand? Into ekumele ifixiwe ila bantu bakuma office kumele sicoshwe zonke lezi zinto lapha xolele phansi.
I like that one. That one I can just, because the whole system is fucked up, and the whole guys that are there on top, even in politics, fucked up people, man, that they don't give a shit about our country. It's like still somewhere somehow their mission is to make sure that we don't grow as a country, we don't sikhule siye further as a country. So these are fucked up people that are there in offices, and I hope that when people are going for elections, they're gonna be smart this time around and choose wherever that they are choosing, because even this choosing shit thing, it doesn't help our people, and we are always suffering. Thina bantu bazalwe sin between elaxesha uNelson Mandela phuma ngalo ejele up until ukum experience why president, then after, then uzocho now. I can say that these guys are just playing with our minds, and yes, I'm not blaming Nelson Mandela. I'm happy about what he did. I'm happy about their ideology as the African National Congress, because they gave us time to rebuild, to rethink. So lento bendiyitsho bangabana, like uNelson Mandela, they gave us isikhathi, more especially generation yam, they gave us isikhathi sokuthi si-rebuilde, si-re-educate ourselves, at least ngezi sikhathi asinikeze sona, khange kubekho zimbi that will distract us. At least by this time sakwazi into ngabana siye esikolweni. So it will always come to us, and it depends to us to help our fathers. Ungababone ofisini ucinga fana bahleli ku right, but those guys abazi nix kweza office, abazi fokol. That's why now sizawukhala simanzi sithi bona bangabo amamisa these things abakwazi ukuthi imali yofikela. The only thing abayaziyo kukulwa ne-corruption. So we need to find a way smoothly to take over from our parents, to take over from our fathers, in order to make sure ukuthi country yethu right. Corruption is always going to be there. Cha sithi abantu abamele thina senze sure into ngobana the only way ukuthi the corruption ingafikelele ebantwaneni bethu, we should take over as educated people. Si take over from our parents. Inkinga ezinje besingasoze sibe nazo.
So when according to you, njengoba kuye ePitori sonke sazi ukuthi ayikho into ezoshintsha, izohlala ikhona. Si-strike sokuqala nje sisokugcina, akaze nje i-industry ye-media ithathwe serious, and ngeke kuqale manje ukuthi ithathwe serious.
We because of we are the smart generation, I believe that we will have some creative ways to make noise. For instance, I thought we were going to take this to the social platforms instead of walk to the streets and do those things. I thought that we would be using the technology to make sure our voice is being heard. Singabe sigcwala estradeni. The only way as enobangela sigcwala estradeni xa kusiliwa kuphela. If akuliwa, we still want a stand, we still want the attention. Sinothatha si block everything on the internet and make sure sibabonisa into ngabana we are the generation that learned this technology. This technology ikhuliswa sithi in the country. We are the consumers of this technology, and we are the consumers of everything bona bayenzayo. So we are the ones akumele thina si stop at this thing once and for all.
Yeah, but singakhohlwa ukuthi nalawa sema-ofisini ngisasho abazinisi nge-media. So that is why ba comfortable, because of baba position umuntu angazi ngayo. Umuntu isedaka yazi ukuthi abantu bashiswa ilanga. Akazi ukuthi kuphinde into ewani kaningi. Akazi kushayiswa ngabo 2. Mele bayozama ukuhike, abanye bayoplan ukuthi bayolala ema-bridge ukuthi ekseni abuya endlini. Akana experience leyo nto leyo. So I expect ukuthi umuntu uzoyenza ichinchi kanjani angayazi experience set. Uzo understand kanjani ukuthi mele imali iphume yopha ama upcoming okuyopha abantu aba requestayo ama funding. Ngithi ba fund. Uzokhipha kanjani umuntu angayazi feeling yokuthi ku difficult kanjani ku industry. How possible is that?
Yeah, boy.
So it is already lento ngisho abafethu ukuthi anyeke iziphele corruption. So strike ile ayikho into ezoshintsha. Izohlala njalo intathi akaze futhi nakaye one nomhlolo. Understand? Movie ba serious mangabe iphethe umuntu ose oversee, maybe I produce or something. That's why ezothathwa serious. That's why bazobona ukuthi ithi sibhadala okusenzeni. You get my point? Because of nakho ke nabona bo Mandela ekuthebani. Bayike thina mina ngintsomuka ngaba uMandela blind but abalandanga thina la sizoyenza leyo performance. Balanda umuntu ose oversee, and I guarantee kuphuma ama million lapho. But so far so good bafethu khuluma. Thank you so much. Supporteni bafethu YouTube, TikTok, Facebook.